Hello beauties, welcome back to another video on my channel. So in today's video we'll be doing some knockoff henna design. Like, it was a struggle in today's video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe by comment down below if you wish, and also follow me on all my socials, that's Instagram and TikTok. And I'm also thinking about starting a Pinterest pin board because I tend to get a lot of my inspiration from there, so I think I may start doing that also. Not quite sure. So what I'm doing now is that I'm doing a protective layer onto my nails because you can see my nails them look busted, like they went through it. They did went through it, okay? Yeah. So for the tips today, I'll be using an extra long tip. This is a press on, but I couldn't find anything and I was lazy. I went through it. I wanted to do some dual forms. I also wanted to do some sculptured forms that wasn't working out. So my only option was to go ahead and do tips, which I was trying to avoid. So yeah, so I'll be cutting these nails into stilettos, something that I really hate, to be honest, because sometimes I miscalculate and cut too much or cut too less. Well, I can recover from the cutting less, but when I do cut too much, it's a lot. So yeah. So I went into the center part of the nail and cut it, almost even, so I get that stiletto shape, and that was okay for me. And then I'll go in with my e-file to straighten up the nails. You can also go in with your emery board also. If you don't have an e-file, that's fine. So the next step is to go in with our dark nudes. This is one of our favorite my favorite go-to colors: dark nudes, nude peach, all the nudes. So I'll go ahead and create some deep French. I realized over a year I have not done much of stilettos or much of a French stiletto. Yeah, and I was feeling some deep French stilettos in today's video, and I wanted like 50 shades of blue. But it turned out that I only had one shade of blue. I have other shades of blue, but this one was hitting the spot for me. So I think I have a tutorial on here on how to achieve the most ideal French ever. I think I will link it in the iCards. Yeah, if I remember, I will link it. It's basic stuff, basic knowledge. I think I should just do like short clips of me just doing all of these things and just explaining, instead of making it be a large video where I'm doing all the nails and have to be repetitive. So I don't like doing that. I like when I can go through a video not explaining these stuff, like the ones that are here and they're important. I will then say something about it, but I think what I'm gonna do in the near future is to make small videos, like compact video, not compact, but videos that you can understand on how to master, maneuver the art of creating anything pertaining to acrylic or whatever. So the next step I'm going in with is to, after I shape up the nail, you have to shape up the nail because you want it to be crisp. The next color that I'll go in with is the ultra blue. I love this blue so much. I've used it so many times, and I'm using it very sparingly because it's a very powerful blue. This is actually from a local store I bought it from. Yes. So now I'm going in with my e-file, the sanding band. This is a 80 grit sanding band, which is doing the thing. It's doing the thing. So I went in just removing the surface layer of it. I wasn't doing much with it, to be honest. And then I went in with my e-file to go in and kind of balance it a little bit more, shape it up. And then I went in with a ceramic bit to file down, to get it even, to look right. Yeah, so I tend to go between different files to ensure that the nails is properly balanced to how I want it. So after that is done, I will then go in with my buffing block, smooth it out, then I'll go in with a nail art design. This part was a knock off, okay? Knock to the right off, okay? Anybody who is in that and is from the culture of henna and stuff like that, I was trying my utmost best to design, but I suck at design. So this is a knockoff version of henna, but I actually like the design, to be honest with you guys. Love it. It turned out to how I wanted it. I was going through some dilemma with the designs because I feel like I'm a visual individual, and I need to actually see the design in front of me and make it. I can't be the one to say, okay, I'm going to do this from my head. It doesn't work all the time. So let me tell you. So yeah, this design was actually successful. I mean, it's not the best, but it's not the worst. I really do like it. If you like things like that, definitely like this video. Also, before I went in with my design, some of them were not all the way to where I wanted them, so I actually had this color that was very close to the ultra blue, so I lined it so it was full around. The smile line was full with the ultra blue that I had went in with, so that was it. And then I cured that, and then I went in with my design. After I'm done with the design and bare things, then I will go in and top coat the nails, go in, cure for 60 seconds, and then I will go over with my cuticle oil, massage that cuticle area. And then that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's not that informative, but it's something that I want to showcase my talent or whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, and let me know what you think about these videos. Follow me on all my socials, that's Instagram and TikTok. And I think I'll be creating a Pinterest board. So yeah, see you guys next time.
They say a drunk mind speaks sober thoughts. So baby, what are you saying? Gotta tell me one thing. When you take them shots, but the next day you're just playing. Now baby, I don't need my time wasted. If you don't want me, then just say yes, instead of calling up my phone when you've been drinking all night long. You're gonna act like you ain't saying. You're gonna act like it's a lie. You tryna play with my emotions, but that drink, babe, doesn't lie. So drink it up. I wanna know what's on your mind. So drink it up. Want you to tell me that you're mine. So drink it up. Tell me you love me once again. So drink it up. I wanna know what you're thinking. So drink it up. So drink it up. So drink it up. So drink it up. You said you didn't mean it, that you went too far, trying to act like you forgot. You're acting like I'm crazy, like I made this up, but baby, I think not. All those late night conversations when you said you want my heart, and you think I'm so amazing. You don't like being apart. You told me you miss me and you need me, that you love more than my body. I caught you off guard, you falling real hard. Well, sorry.